So we're here at the farm to pick up Bob. Hopefully this is the one last time that we have to bring him to the vet and have stuff done to his eye. He's got to get his stitches out. So he's going to be happy, I hope. He's going to be really cute. He's always really cute.
My sweet little kitten.
Today is the day that Bob gets his stitches taken out, right?
He's so happy.
Yeah. And this is the end of this saga, right?
Yep.
Finally.
No, he's not going to dig being shoved in that carry thing.
So we just took his cone off. I guess Walker took it off yesterday.
He's so happy.
He's such a good boy.
Yeah.
All right, so this is the update on Bob. Jen, how long has it been? We are now in December, the first week of December.
It was the end of April.
The end of April.
Or the end of March. It was the end of March, I think. Yeah. Yep.
So 8 months.
Yep.
Okay. And now Bob, he's gone through it. Boy, he he got a bullet right between his eyes, right up here and it popped he got it shot right here, and it pushed that eye out a little bit. The vets shoved it back in, and
sewed it.
We
so
tried to save it. They sewed it.
In there.
And we had to go through a few surgeries.
Poor little.
Trying to save the eye, and ultimately we had to have the eye removed because it was withering, and
there was a chance that he could get a bad sarcoma, like a quick moving sarcoma.
Yeah, and eye cancer that would kill him, and it was just not worth it to keep the dead eye.
We love you, buddy.
So, for those of you who have been following along, we appreciate all your well wishes and support, and Bob is doing great. He's getting us. He's just going to be our pirate cat for the rest of his life.
Yeah.
What a beautiful cat he was and still is, huh?
Yeah.
Let's see, Bob. Let's see that green eye, the one you got left. It's beautiful. It is sure beautiful. Like your mama's pretty green-eyeish.
Yeah. Okay, let's wrangle him.
Time to wrangle him?
Oh yeah, you talk to him while I...
Put him in his kennel?
Yeah.
Oh, he can see you. He can see what you're doing. Yeah.
He's watching me?
No, he's not watching you. So we're going to try to stick him in his kennel. He hates it down it and stuff him in there, huh? He's such a good boy.
Oh, such a sweet kitty cat. What a sweet kitty cat you are. I love you.
Yes.
Love you.
All right.
Yay, buddy. Hey.
We're on our way.
Go see Maria. She'll fix you all up.
All right.
Sweet thing.
All done, Bob.
Oh, you look so pretty. So pretty. Love you.
Got it.
The end of an odyssey.
This is the end. Hi.
So fabulous.
Finally, the end of this rubbish.
Hopefully.
I hope so. So, the vet said,
He's got a little bit of wetness.
which could be kind of problematic, but not. If he keeps producing tears out of that little corner of his eye, then we got to keep it clean, which is not what we wanted. But
she said she thinks she got all the tear-producing tissue out of there, so hopefully that is the case.
All right.
Sweet, sweet farm cat.
Yay, Bob.
Who's now a pirate.
Yay, Pirate Bob. Good.
I love him.
He's happy again.
Yeah. It's like, thank God.